Hey, my name is Julius and welcome to Analytics Mania, where you can learn Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics. I have spent thousands of hours working with Google Tag Manager, and you can learn from that experience on my blog and on my YouTube channel. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or an experienced user, with me, you will definitely learn something new, useful, and practical. So if you are serious about becoming a Google Tag Manager specialist, you've come to the right place. I have published hundreds of Google Tag Manager resources, including blog posts, ebooks, videos, and online courses. And all of that is just so you could learn this quite complex topic with greater confidence. Speaking of courses, if you want to learn Google Tag Manager faster, and I mean much faster and the right way, if you want to get practical knowledge, if you want to have a mentor, if you want to get my top tips, if you want to get various time-saving templates, then feel free to take a look at my courses. My students have benefited, and you might be one of them. Here's what they have to say.
JULIUS's course in Google Tag Manager for Beginners is one of the best investments that I've made in my career.
And when I took the first course, immediately I noticed a significant impact in my freelancing business.
Julius is clear, his examples are clean, he's super knowledgeable, he'll answer any questions you have. I really like working with Julius, and I think this class is great.
It's a template and a resource that you can rely on constantly. It's advanced my career, it's given me a valuable skill set, and it's also helped me develop fabulous relationships with my clients and make them really happy by providing amazing data to them.
Julius's teaching style is really awesome. He doesn't really rush past anything. He takes the time to explain everything. And if you're a marketer really trying to get the most out of Google Tag Manager, I definitely highly recommend Julius's intermediate course.
So, are you ready to learn Google Tag Manager? If yes, then Analytics Mania is at your service. Let's make your marketing and analytics more effective.